it's your boy J.A. Javon in the how you spell building, and it's your girl how you spell Shavon in the house, you know, in the yard, in the backyard, and ting, you know. And then okay, I'm gonna shut up.
What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shy Money. I see you. Okay.
I'm scratching my back, bro.
Okay, guys. Happy New Year.
You're supposed to wait on me.
Oh, okay. I forgot. Okay.
Okay. What are you hugging me for?
Cause I like hugging you. Okay. Babe.
Alright, come on.
Go on.
Alright, let's go. And a 1, and a 2, and a triple D, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Happy New
2020
Year.
Yeah, it's New Year.
He's so silly. He's so silly. Okay, guys.
Alright, jokes aside, come on.
Okay, guys, I know we were not able to record a video on the actual day of New Year's, but it's okay. It's okay.
So first and foremost, let me say, man, for Happy New Year's, guys. Happy new decade, as they say. You know what I'm saying? You know, 2019 was a couple days ago. You know, I'm sorry we didn't end 2019 how we wanted to as far as video-wise, you know what I'm saying? As we said before, we started vlogging was that the only thing that's going to stop us from making videos is work. Which happened. You see, it was Christmas, you know, it's holiday time, so a lot of business and all that, you know, all that.
But we got that time and a half though, okay?
Yeah, all that, you know, all that stuff happened. So,
So guys, I personally want to thank you all for giving us the subscriber, you know, the subscribers and the views and the support and the love from 2019 when we first started YouTube. We had no idea what we were getting into. We just know we wanted to do something fun, something different, something creative, and we wanted to start YouTube, just see where it'd take us and stuff. And I must say, it's been a challenge. It's been a tough challenge. And it has, you know, taken its toll on us a couple times, but we made it through, y'all. We made it through a whole, what, like 10 or 11 months? 11 months. I believe we've been doing YouTube for 11 months now.
Almost a year.
Almost a year. So I think YouTube has taught me personally patience and to be more organized, to plan. Even though, you know, you can plan as much as you want, it's not gonna go the way you want it to go. But, you know, all we can do is try. As long as we try, you know, put the effort into it, it's gonna, you know, it's gonna be what it's gonna be. But I am very excited because, you know, we actually got people to watch us. Like we actually, like, when we started YouTube, we never thought we were gonna get anybody to watch us. Like,
nope.
I never thought we were that interesting, but I mean, me looking at it, I never thought we were that funny.
It was the first time doing it.
Yeah.
I never thought we reached this far. I mean, I know it's not far to some people, but to us it's far, you know. So it was a long journey, and it's still a long road to go. It's just 1% of the 100 we want to be. So as she said, 2019 was it was a good year, you know. Know that we know what we're dealing with. Know that this is some really hard
YouTube
work.
is tough.
But we're not gonna let the YouTube beat us. We're gonna beat the YouTube, man. We're gonna tough it out. We're gonna grind it out, and then, you know, 2019 was just a start off. You know, to get to know what we're doing. You know, when you move in the area, you want to know the area, and stuff like that. You have to know using on GPS. That's what it is with YouTube 2020 now. So we know that. Well, we have what videos we have to make. We know what we have to do. You know what I'm saying? So. Y'all guys take it to me for that, man. I can promise you, man. 2020.
2020.
We got a lot of goals for 2020, man. Y'all guys, if y'all guys new, make sure you guys subscribe and turn the notification bell on. If you guys already been here, big shout out to all y'all. You know what I'm saying? We
love y'all. We appreciate y'all. You know, we appreciate your, you know, the time you sit and just watch us. You know, you don't have to do that, but you actually find us interesting to just sit there and watch us and, you know, laugh with us. So we appreciate y'all. We love y'all very much.
So we're so proud. We went from 1 to 100, from 2 to, no, from 100 to 200, no, from 200 to 300, guys. Yes, we hit 300 subscribers, guys. Big shout out for that. Appreciate you guys for that. You know what I'm saying? Next up is 400 subscribers. You know, that's a lot. To me, that's a lot of people.
That is a lot of people.
I can't imagine having when I look at the people that got 1 million, I'm like, dang, that's a lot of people.
1 million,
you, bro.
that is a lot. That is a lot.
That's a lot.
Of people.
Like 300 people. Appreciate it, man. Really appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, as I said, we're just making this video to say Happy New Year's. What's coming up for 2020 and 2019 is already gone. Why we didn't post? I just said it's work-wise, so it's already gone. We can't do nothing about it. We can focus about the future. So.
Since we weren't able to, we actually got an intro made for Vlogmas, but because of, you know, work and because of we started so late, you know, we thought about it late and we didn't, you know,
yeah, it was really last minute.
Yeah, we didn't get our person, you know, our person that we use to do our intros and stuff. We didn't get it to them in time for it to be back, you know, for us to put it in videos. So we might still have it up. Okay, we might still have it just because we already paid for it and it looks nice and we just wanted y'all to see it. At least see it and, you know, let us know what y'all think, even though it's kind of late and it's still 2019.
Yeah, I mean, it's never too late. We're probably going to use for the remainder of January and then think of something else to do. So with that being said, we're going to show you guys the intro right now. Y'all probably see it at the beginning of the video. So yeah, y'all probably see it at the beginning of the video. So yeah.
Just let us know if y'all like it, you know, what y'all think, if we should keep it on here or not. I mean, we got it and we just never used it because we didn't have the time and we couldn't record videos like we wanted to. We couldn't post them and like we was like, dang, bro, we got this intro for nothing, literally for nothing, but we can still use it. So I mean, yeah, guys, that's how.
But stuff happens, man. Stuff happens just for you to get up and keep walking. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, as I said, that's all we have to say. Anything you want to say? That's all we have to say. And 2019 been a good year, you know what I'm saying? It really been a good. It was really interesting, and with all the downfalls, up downs and downs, I really give God thanks for us to still be alive to live to see another year. You know what I'm saying? So, and for you guys too, man. Happy for you guys that are still out there grinding and toughing it out. You know what I'm saying? And then, with that being said, guys, it's January.
It's January.
January what? Today's the 2nd. Yeah, today's the 2nd, guys. 2 more days still. Well, it's one more day until our 2 years anniversary, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for the vlog. Hopefully we get to vlog that.
Hopefully we get to vlog it. We have some stuff planned. We have some things planned.
Certain stuff we may not vlog, but hopefully we get to vlog. Because the place that we're going is like, is either playing music or is it music. So hopefully we get to vlog it.
If we do show it, it'll probably be music over it, like music that we put, but we won't, like, you won't hear us or the music in the place, but you'll hear, like, you know, you'll see it, and we'll probably play music over it if we can. So yeah, guys,
stay tuned for that. Guys, let me say something real quick. I don't know why this happened, but guys, December anniversary, Valentine's, and birthday for literally in a short period of time, and that's like a month, like bruh,
that ain't no time.
You know, everything is like right in the same time frame. Like, that's crazy.
Our anniversary in January, Christmas December, February is our birthday, and Valentine's Day.
And Valentine's same week.
Same week, y'all. Same week. That's crazy.
I never really thought about it until now. I was like, damn.
I get lots of stuff.
I was like, I'm thinking like, okay, we're gonna buy this. I'm like, wait.
Yep.
No, we gonna buy everything all at one time. You know what I'm saying? But
he talking about we gonna buy everything at one time and we just gonna give it on one day. I'm like, no, you gotta celebrate that day. Do anniversary separately, and then do birthday, and then Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, I just want a card, babe, like a big card, and just write me something sentimental in it. I'm a sentimental person. That's all I want.
Okay, that's for me to know, and that's for a surprise for you guys. No, we're not gonna talk about that right now. But yeah, guys, we don't want this video. It's already 10 minutes. We don't want this video too long. You know what I'm saying? Happy New Year's. Wish you guys all the best of New Year's. All the stuff that you never get to do in 2019. It's never too late. Go ahead and do it right now. If you want to be a YouTuber, pick it up and grind. As I say, guys, 2019 was well, to be honest, I always say the first couple years always a hard year.
Yes.
We went past 1 year.
Another year. And another
year.
And another one.
We know what to do, so stay tuned for the videos. It's gonna be an interesting year.
Yep.
And BB Gang, we are back.
Oh, I thought you said out. Oh, and also one more thing, guys. Let us know in the comment section below, what did you do for New Year's? We want to know. We didn't do nothing. We just, you know, we just cuddled up and went to sleep. Cause
actually, I worked. I worked the day before and the day after. New Year's.
I worked
New
too.
Year's Eve and New Year's Day.
Yeah, we both worked.
So we didn't really do anything.
We couldn't do nothing, y'all. We just cuddled up. We literally cuddled up, and then like at 11:59, we heard we had the TV on, and we heard the fireworks and everything, and we woke up, turned to each other, kissed each other, Happy New Year's, and then we went right back to sleep. That's all we did, y'all.
That's all we did, guys. Because we had to go work at 6:30 and 4 in the morning.
Yes. So we weren't playing no games.
Let's say, man, we gonna grind it out. We gonna get these subscribe going out. I mean, these subscribe numbers and views going up. So hopefully within this year or next year, we don't have to go to work. We'll be doing full-time YouTube right here, and we'll be up all night.
Yeah.
Celebrating with you guys, giveaways, and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm doing too much talking, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna end the video right here. Anything you want to say?
That's all I gotta say, guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button. Push that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
Yes, sir.
Peace.